Hi, my name is Wesley, and I'm a service technician here at Porsche Center downtown Toronto. In today's video, we're going to be going over one of the more frequent concerns that we get from customers over the phone about how to store your vehicle over the course of the winter. We're going to be going over some of the most important things you can do to protect your car during long-term storage. So let's get into it. Now, maintaining your car's battery is one of the most important parts of long-term storage, and the easiest way for you to do that is to use one of our Porsche battery maintainers. You can check out our other video on how to set this up. Using a Porsche battery maintainer will make sure your battery doesn't go flat over the course of long-term storage. Now, if you're planning on washing your car before it goes into storage, something you're going to want to keep in mind is actually the brakes. If you wash your car immediately before it goes into storage, the surface of the rotors might still be wet and they can develop a bit of rust on the surface over time. So what we recommend you do is take your car for a short drive after you wash it, so you can do a little bit of braking and clean off the surface of the rotors so that they're clean and dry before it goes into storage. Now, when storing your vehicle for a long period of time, a common issue is flat spots on the tires. Now, there's a way you can prevent this. First, you're going to want to make sure your tires are cold, and then you're going to want to overinflate them by about 8 to 10 psi. This is going to help keep the tires round and prevent the bottoms from flattening out over time. If you want to go the extra mile, another thing you can do is actually support the tires with a couple pieces of cardboard. You put these on the ground and then roll the tires over top, and they can provide some extra support and prevent your tires from going flat. Filling your fuel tank is another important thing that you want to do before storing your vehicle. It'll help prevent condensation from building up within the fuel tank itself. If you want to go the extra mile, you can also add fuel stabilizer and then run the car for a few minutes so that the entire fuel system stays protected over the course of the winter. Now, one last thing we wanted to mention is the parking brake. When you're parking your vehicle over the course of the winter, you want to make sure your parking brake is disengaged. If it remains engaged, you can actually have your brake pads sticking to your brakes, which is going to be a problem in the future. So we recommend you leave your car in gear and, if necessary, chalk the front and rear wheels with a small piece of wood to prevent it from rolling away. Now, these were just a few simple tricks that you can do to prepare your car for winter storage. If you have any other questions at all, feel free to call us here at the Porsche Center in downtown Toronto.